Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can add watermark in CapCut. So here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I have created a project as well. And we're going to add watermark for this video. So the first thing we have to do is click on the tags button right here. Then we just need to click on add tags and just enter the tags that you want to make it as your watermark. And for example, I'm going to add like this. Okay, and if we want to change the font, we just need to click on a font option. Then you can select the font that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one. And we can also do styling and put effects, or we can also add bubble to our watermark. But go with this watermark. So if we want to make the watermark transparent, we just need to click on style right here. Then we can scroll down until we find opacity, and we're going to reduce the opacity to make the watermark transparent like this. And you can choose as transparent as you like, and for me, I'm just going to select 50%. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. And I'm going to zoom out like this. Okay, and we can make the watermark align with the video. So just drag the watermark like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result, guys. So just play the video. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add watermark in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.